Hi everyone, and welcome to Big Ideas Growing Minds. We are so happy you are here. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Your support means the world to us. Today's big idea comes from Morgan Housel and his splendid and inspiring book, The Psychology of Money. The book has the subtitle, Timeless Lessons on Wealth, Greed, and Happiness, and is, in its essence, a guide on how to make better decisions when it comes to life, money, and investing. The book challenges the assumption that financial success depends solely on education, intelligence, and rational thinking, and presents an alternative hypothesis. The key to financial success lies in understanding human behavior. Throughout the book, Housel demonstrates how to make better financial decisions by comprehending how emotions and beliefs influence us. Here is our take on the essential information conveyed in the book. Number 1. Rationality isn't universal. In a world that assumes that wealth can be acquired through abiding by mathematical principles and common sense, why do people act in so many different ways when it comes to money and investing? Housel argues that it's not what you learn, but what you live through that has the most significant effect on your relationship to money. He attributes this to the fact that real-life experiences leave an emotional impact that is impossible to replicate. For example, you cannot truly experience the anxiety of a dire financial situation unless you have lived through it. Number 2. Luck and risk. Another critical point is that we tend to underestimate the role of luck and risk when it comes to financial success or failure. While most people acknowledge that luck exists in investing, few are willing to point out individuals who have experienced such luck since it will make them seem petty. According to Housel, our failure to recognize the impact of luck is particularly dangerous when people try to imitate the financial achievement of successful people without acknowledging that a big part of their success might be attributed to chance, such as being in the right place at the right time, a factor impossible to replicate, and hence a direct path to failure. Number 3. Getting money versus keeping it. Housel also teaches us that while risk-taking and a healthy dose of confidence are necessary to make money, keeping it requires humility and fear. He advises the reader to acknowledge the possibility that plans might not come true the way we envisioned and encourages us to implement a margin of safety. By doing so, we obtain security and flexibility should the randomness of life, politics, or economics affect the desired outcome. Number 4. Don't be greedy. People who aren't satisfied with what they have can quickly lose it all while grasping for more. A good tip is to stop comparing your finances with other people's, since it's a losing battle. Feeling that you have enough, even if it's less than someone else has, is the way to win. Number 5. Useful advice. Here are 7 pieces of level-headed advice. Number 1. Save your money instead of showing off. To create true wealth, you have to save and reinvest a part of your money continuously. This may require you to keep your ego in check. Number 2. Determine the right level of risk. Higher risk often comes with greater returns. However, if your investments are causing anxiety and restless nights, rethink your strategy. Number 3. Take advantage of compounding by finding investments that return solid, consistent results over time. Number 4. Obtain freedom. An identified element of happiness is having control of your life. Having savings can give you the feeling of freedom and control. For example, the ability to rest when you're sick or quit a job that makes you miserable. Number 5. Stay humble. Remember that you'll gain much more admiration and acknowledgement from kindness and humility than from a new Rolex. Number 6. Prepare for the unknown. Housel reminds us that the future can bring any number of novel emergencies. You'll be better situated to handle them if you save for such unknowns. Number 7. Know your own financial goals. Don't allow other people, including your financial advisor, to make your financial choices. Ensure that the decisions you make are in line with what you want and need. And there you have it, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel, in a nutshell. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a like. Take care and see you soon.